Valerie Anne Bertinelli is an American actress and television personality. She portrayed Barbara Cooper Royer on the sitcom One Day at a Time, Gloria on the religious drama series Touched by an Angel, and Melanie Moretti on the sitcom Hot in Cleveland. Since 2015, she has hosted the cooking shows Valerie's Home Cooking and Kids Baking Championship on Food Network. Bertinelli was born in Wilmington, Delaware to Nancy and Andrew Bertinelli, a General Motors executive. Her father is of Italian descent and her mother is of English descent. She has 3 brothers: David, Patrick and Drew. An elder brother, Mark, died at 17 months from an accidental poisoning before she was born. Because of her father's career, the family frequently moved. Over various periods, they lived in Claymont, Delaware, Clarkston, Michigan, Shreveport, Louisiana, Oklahoma City and the Los Feliz section of Los Angeles, California, where Bertinelli studied acting at the Tommy Lynn School of Artists. She attended Granada Hills High School and was raised Roman Catholic. Following her appearance in an episode of Apple's Way, Bertinelli was approached by producer Norman Lear to audition for the role of cooperative daughter Barbara Cooper in a new sitcom called One Day at a Time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.